we're the missionaries. How are you doing today?
Doing good, thank you.
Have you ever seen missionaries before?
You know what? I'm not interested.
Oh, it's hard.
Missionary work has evolved since the days of knocking on doors. Today, we reach people through social media and online messaging. And we're here to teach you how to do the exact same thing for yourself, and also how to help others, like us missionaries, share and spread the gospel online. There are lots of different platforms for social media, and the one we're going to be talking about today is Facebook. In fact, you're probably watching this video on Facebook right now. So before we continue on, let's go ahead and turn it over to the sister missionaries.
Thank you, Elder. We want to start off by talking about the first 10-minute algorithm. In a Facebook post, the first 10 minutes are the most important. Why? Because if it gets the most likes, comments, and shares within the first 10 minutes, that determines how much it pops up on other people's feeds. So if you want the post to pop up all the time, make sure you like, comment, and share in the first 10 minutes. Liking our posts makes us feel really good. Commenting on our posts is even better. It helps people know what our posts are about. Sharing our posts is the best option. It helps our content spread like wildfire.
So even better than all those three things is creating your own content. So how do you do that? Well, first you determine an interest or a need. For example, your interest could be riding a bike. The second thing you do is determine a principle that goes with that interest. So for example, riding a bike could be like a journey to the end. Finally, you have an invitation to act. For example, something you could say is, enjoy your ride through life by creating a gratitude journal. And that's how you make a post.
Like we just taught, we invite you to like, comment, and share this video to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ in other people's lives. And we promise that as you engage in social media work for yourself, you will find the light of Christ in your life as well as bring it into others' lives. Mic drop.